place the image in the correct position on the media, we must first identify the features in the media that you would like the printer to detect. Then you must make sure the sensors in your printer are set up to detect those features. If your media has a gap, also referred to as web, or has holes or notches, select Gap Notch in the menu. If your media has a black mark on the underside of the media, select Mark in the menu. If your media is a continuous roll with no start position features, select Continuous in the menu. Please note, the label length on continuous media is controlled by the file that you are printing. Now set the sensor type in the menu. For black mark media, set the sensor type to reflective. For all other types of media, set the sensor type to transmissive. Now load the media and ribbon. Make sure the media and ribbon are fully inserted. If you have any media handling options, such as a peel, liner take-up, or a cutter, please calibrate in those modes. If you're using media with a gap, also referred to as a web or a hole or a notch, you want to make sure your sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Move the sensor to a location where the light passes through the notch or hole. Try to avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If your media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If you're using media with print on the other side, try to locate the sensor away from the print so the sensor does not get a false reading. You may be starting without any media or ribbon loaded and the printer displaying a media out error. Select Wizards. Select Print. Select Start Print. Select Print Type, Direct Thermal or Thermal Transfer. Select the check mark. Select Media Type, Continuous, Mark, or Gap Notch Media. Select the check mark. Enter the label width. Select Media Handling Method. In this video, we are using the tear option. Select the check mark. Open the media door. Load the media and ribbon into the printer. Open the print head. Select Check. The auto calibration will begin. Select X if you do not want to print a test label. Select Check to not adjust the tear line offset. Select Home. Tear off any used media. Close the media door. Press Pause. Press Feed to confirm the calibration of the printer. Your printer is now calibrated with the installed media. The process can be repeated whenever you change to a different media size or type.